Hello everyone, Glenn from Bitcoin Ubuntu here with a quick tutorial on how to sign up for your first online class with My First Bitcoin. When you go to register, you should have received two emails. The first one requests that you add a password to your new account at My First Bitcoin. So follow the link in the email to do that. You should be prompted with a dialog like this, where you can enter your brand new password. So pick a password for yourself there, making sure that it includes at least one number and one special character and is at least 8 characters in length and no longer than 50. Then enter your password a second time, hit OK to confirm. And when you've done that successfully, come back to the second email, which is this welcome email. Welcome to the core. If you have more than one email address, make sure that you make a note of which email address it is you've received this welcome email to, because you'll use that same email to register by clicking Start Now. When you click on Start Now, you'll be presented with a brief description of the course it is you're looking to register for. And when you scroll down, you'll see the button Register for Free. Hit that button and then enter that same email address that you received the welcome email to and the password that you've just set up for yourself in the previous step. And then once you've logged in successfully, you should see that that button has now changed from register for free to continue. Hit continue, and that's going to take you into the course material. You might have a slightly different landing page here, but if you hit the two orange arrows over there, you'll see you're presented with a menu here of all of the course material broken down into the live sessions. If you expand any one of those, you'll see that included in there are various resources, including the slides that will have been used in the live session, and additional resources like videos, if they're relevant, review quizzes and chapter discussions, and so on. So I hope that's all easy and straightforward enough for you. If you do run into any problems, feel free to reach out to Felix or myself on the WhatsApp or Telegram. Good luck with the course. I hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you all in class.